Okay, guys. So let's understand now. We will try to understand. Okay, there is a point O given here. Okay, and what I want to do is at a distance of r units from this point. Okay, I want to mark all the points. So what I will do is keeping this point fixed. Okay, this point fixed O. I will try to join all these points in distance r है, right? So I will basically generate a circle. Okay, circle का basic definition यही होता है. It is the locus of all points which are equidistant from a given point in a plane. Okay, so the point in question is the center of circle O in this case, and the distance we are studying, it's called as the radius of the circle, which is r. Okay, now if we take any random point, let's say x comma y, okay, on this circle, okay, and if we name the coordinates of the center as a comma b, we can find out the distance between these 2 points as the distance formula, right? So that's exactly what we'll do right now. So we'll use distance formula, and the distance between that generic point on the circle and the center can be found as square root of x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square, right? Okay, by distance formula. But this distance is nothing but the radius, right? So equate them, we will get x1 minus a the whole square plus y1 minus b the whole square is equal to r square. So this is the general equation, okay, general equation for a circle, okay, with center a comma b and radius r. Okay, okay, guys, we can take it one step further. Okay, we can name the center as minus g and minus f. Okay, radius is r. Okay, and take any generic point on the circle as x comma y. Then the equation of the circle will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, where center is minus g comma minus f coordinates wise, and the radius is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, I'm not deriving all this right now. It's not very much important. Find the radius and the center of the following circles. Okay, very easy question. Pehla wala to. Okay, we know that from the general equation, it's x minus a the whole square plus y minus b the whole square equals to r square. Okay, so comparing the coordinates of the center are 6, 8. Okay, and this is equal to r square. So radius is nothing but 8 units. Okay, 8 square is the radius, is equal to r square is the equation, right? So r is equal to 8. Okay, now this is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so here it can be adjusted as 2 into g into x, okay, okay, plus 2gx plus 2 into f into y, right? So if you compare now, guys, 4x can be written as 2 into 2 into x, and guys, 8y minus 8y can be written as plus 2 into minus 4 into y. So guys, g is 2 and f is minus 4. Okay, what are the coordinates of the center? The coordinates of the center are minus g and minus f. So minus g क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 2, minus f क्या हो जाएगा? 4. So this is the coordinates of the center, minus 2, 4. Right? Now to find out the radius, we have formula. The formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Minus c. Right? So g we found is minus 2. G square will be minus 2 ka square 4 plus f square will be 4 ka square 16 minus c. C here is the constant term, guys, which is nothing but minus 5. Okay, just substitute here. So you will get 4 plus 16, 20 minus minus 5 is 25. Root 25 is your radius, 5 units. As simple as that.